In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application and then click on the search box and type in Cyberpunk 2077. From the search results, just click on the game and you will be asked to enter your date of birth to confirm your age. After entering it, click on the View Page button. And now you will end up within the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews that have been left by users. If you scroll down, you will be able to view the various bundles or editions. Click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle and then click on View My Cart. You can now continue towards your payment and you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. Now you will need to choose your install location to complete the download and installation of the game. Once the installation is done, you can start enjoying the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how you can download and install Cyberpunk on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.